So today's video, I would like to talk about am.
I'm not a bit like you thought I am I? Hey?
Oh, I am I?
Oh, I am I?
So am is a be verb that is used with the pronoun I.
Mary, I don't know what to say.
In the first person singular, we use this in the present tense. We cannot use am with any other subject other than I. So let's have a look at some examples. So here are 5 uses for am. Number 1, it's used to describe a person or a thing or the present state of being.
It's also a state of being.
Number 2, we use it to tell what a person does for a living. I am a teacher, for example.
What's your job here?
Number 3, we use it to describe what a person is doing right now in a continuous action. For example, I am teaching you this.
What are you doing right now?
What are you doing right now?
What are you doing right now to help me?
Number 4, we use it to get an answer from a person, to ask a question.
What am I doing wrong?
And number 5, we use it to describe an asked question and answer the question positively or negatively.
I got it.
So let's look at each part a little bit more closely. So remember, number 1, we use it to describe a person or a thing in the present tense, the present state of being. So the formation of a sentence with the word am, we would use the subject, which is I, plus am, plus other words that you want to use in the sentence. Number 1, I am a bad person. I'm not really.
Therefore, I am a bad person for needing to have a baby.
I am a bad person.
God, I am a bad person.
Number 2, I am a terrible caregiver.
Like I learned that I am a terrible caregiver.
Number 3, I am a sinner.
Dear Lord, I know that I am a sinner, and I ask for your forgiveness.
I am a sinner!
I am a sinner.
Number 4, I am a little disappointed.
Although I am a little disappointed.
I am a little disappointed.
I have to say, I am a little disappointed in you, Jeff.
Number 5, I am a victim of fear.
I am a victim of fear.
These are all examples of state of being, even though they're quite negative. The second, we use am to describe what you do, what is your profession. So I am a teacher. So if you look at the structure, I, which is the subject, am, the be verb, plus whatever words you want to use in the sentence, full stop. So let's have a look at some examples. I am an officer in the United States military.
General, I am an officer in the United States military.
I am a ghost.
I am a ghost.
I am a ghost.
I was dressed as a ghost for Halloween, and now I am a ghost.
I am a professional model. Not.
I am a professional model.
I am a professional model.
So this describes your job. So think about what job you do. So the third part, we use am to describe a continuous action. I am standing here. I am teaching you English. So let's have a look at some examples. Number 1, I am going to meet my friend Morgan.
Look, I'm going to meet my friend Morgan for coffee.
Number 2, I am waiting for you.
I am waiting for you to tell the truth.
I am waiting for you.
I am waiting for you.
Number 3, I'm sleeping in my clothes.
I'm sleeping in my clothes.
Number 4, I am coming to you right now.
I'm coming to you right now, I'm coming to you right now.
Number 5, I am cooking now. Number 6, I am teaching them.
I am teaching them.
I am teaching them a very, very valuable lesson on how the entertainment business works, Susan.
Number 7, I am learning some new things.
But I am learning some new things.
Number 8, I am asking you a question.
I am asking you a question.
I am asking you a question.
Here I am questioning a gay guy about queer questioning, so therefore I must qualify as a Q because of the mere fact that I am asking a question. I am asking you a question.
Number 10, I'm watching my favourite programme.
I'm watching my favorite program.
Number 11, I am observing the bank now. Like I'm a bank robber.
Observing the bank now.
Number 12, I am writing a book about it.
And I'm writing a book about it, actually.
So the fourth section is we use am to ask a question. So we use am to ask a question to a person to get an answer about something. So let's have a look at some examples. Number 1, am I an idiot?
What, am I an idiot?
Am I an idiot to you?
What, am I an idiot?
Am I an idiot?
Number 2, am I an infant?
What, am I an infant?
Number 3, am I an accountant?
What am I, an accountant?
What am I, an accountant?
Number 4, am I a doctor?
Am I a doctor?
Yeah.
What am I, a doctor?
I don't know. Am I a doctor?
Well, my doctor. Am I a doctor?
Number 5, am I an animal?
Am I an animal?
Number 6, am I an innovator?
Am I an innovator?
So the fifth section is we use am to answer in the affirmative or the negative. So if you remember the previous questions, number 1, am I an idiot? You'd answer that in the affirmative or negative. Yes, I am an idiot. The second one, am I an infant? No, I am not an infant. The third, am I an accountant? The answer is no, I am not an accountant. Fourth, am I a doctor? No, I am not a doctor. So you can answer these in the affirmative, yes, I am, or the negative, no, I am not. And remember, you can always use contractions. Instead of saying I am, you can say I'm. I'm a doctor. Yes, I'm a doctor. No, I'm not a doctor.